Hello Bladers! Everyone knows that being a car owner is no easy feat. You have a lot of responsibilities and obligation to your car. Besides the responsibilities that come with owning a vehicle, regular maintenance and oil changes, you'd be surprised at the bills that continue to add up. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Besides getting people to destinations such as north to south, vehicles are used for a ton of other important purposes and activities, like driving your family member to the nearest convenience store or hospital, for instance, or helping us to transport the pile of laundry we have. With all those tasks, it's no wonder we see so much wear and tear on our vehicle partners. Here are some cool hacks we can do when it comes to our cars that make it easier than ever to drive. Care to try these tips? Number 1. Untidy cup holders. A lot of things are thrown into these cup holders, such as coins, lighters, parking tickets, and even IDs. You'd be surprised at the things we put in them. A quick reality check: everyone's cup holders are just about the dirtiest place in their vehicle. To keep them clean and organized, try using cupcake holders as the base of your cup holders. You can easily clean it by changing the cupcake holder you placed. Number 2. The power of duct tapes. Now, duct tapes aren't just used to cover up parts of your car that has been through an unfortunate accident. If you don't have a portable vacuum with you and you are having a hard time to clean out the dust in your vehicle, try using duct tapes. Stick out those unnecessary dirt through your duct tapes. Number 3. Transporting your takeout food. When you're driving home with a fresh baked pizza pie or even your set of Jollibee favorites, chances are you'll place it in the empty passenger seat beside you while you drive. The only problem is that it would have the tendency to lean, causing the ingredients for your food to shift to one side. To avoid this from happening, place 2 water bottles on their side and on top of one another. Then, place your takeout meal in the edge on top of them. Easy peasy, right? Number 4. Grocery shopping. Not only is it messy and such a hassle to place loads of grocery bags in the back of your car, but it's impossible to transport them into your home all at once. Luckily, there's a hack for this unfortunate scenario. Keep a laundry basket in your trunk whenever you go out for your daily or weekly grocery. Place all of your grocery bags inside those laundry basket and you can easily carry them into your house. Number 5. Garage parking. Knowing when to stop your vehicle while parking in your garage is pretty difficult, especially to those who are not used to parking. You don't want to hit any of the walls and have unnecessary expenses to your wallet. Avoid this from happening. Tape a tennis ball or any type of soft item to one end of a cord. Then, park your car safely in your garage and hang the cord so the ball lands on your windshield. Once it hits, it's time to hit your brakes. These hacks are actually really easy, practical and smart. Help your wallet out by saving up from unnecessary expenses and give your body a little aid. It's so helpful to have a few less small things to worry about when you drive now. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of your ideas? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.